Hello, welcome to my channel Programming and Artificial Intelligence. Currently we are learning Python programming and today we will be discussing chapter 4, that is decision control structure. Okay, now what is a decision control? Okay, it's a type of statement where we test certain condition. If the condition is satisfied, then we do a certain action. If the condition is not satisfied, then also we perform certain task. Okay, so in Python we are having some statement like if statement to test a condition. If a condition is true, we use if, and the other part, if that is true, then we will do a certain task, right? Else means if the condition is not true, then we will do certain other task there. Okay, now let us go to the programming environment. So from today onwards we will be working on Jupyter notebook, right? Jupyter notebook. Okay, now we have to copy this address along with this token. Copy, click on a browser. So okay, it automatically opens. Actually, by the time I put that, it already came. Now we would be clicking on new Python 3. Okay, so we will not name this file, it will be untitled only. Okay, now let us test few things here. Suppose age equals to 17, right? We can run all together or we can run one by one cell, okay, in Jupyter notebook. Now age is 17. Suppose we want to check if a certain person's age is means greater than 17 or not. Means if it is greater than 17, he can vote. We will simply print a message, right? So if, okay, age is that variable double equals to, or we can say if that age is greater than 17, okay, and we have to put a colon here. Please note this syntax, this is Python syntax, and if you click enter, so you have to take care of the indentation, so it will be pointed in a certain gap. So now we are here. If the age is greater than 17, we will print you can vote, right? Now this statement, let us run what it happens. You have not seen any output, right? Because age is not greater than 17. It is 17, so you won't get it. Let us rewrite it. If age is greater than or equal to, now you will see you can vote because the condition is satisfied. Here we have checked two conditions. Age is greater or equal to 17. So greater become false. However, equals to was true, right? So you got the message, you can vote. So this is a small example of uh, if statement. Okay. Now we can test many things. Now suppose we can check this double equals to means equality check in Python. Okay, if age equal to 17, then you can vote. This will also run true, right? Okay. Okay, now let's try certain other examples. Let me see an example from my book. Okay, so there I found one example where let us do this, right? I will write the examples for you guys. Let us sell. Oh, I don't want this cell, so I will cut it. I don't want it. I don't want it. Now few things you can do here. See, this is the markdown. Okay, I want to make a comment, so this comment won't be executed, so I make this cell markdown. Now the problem is, suppose uh, uh, super market offers you a discount of 10% if the QUANTITY quantity PURCHASD purchased is more than say 2000. Okay, now you need to write a program to calculate the total expenses. Okay, so this is what we need to do. Let's do it. Insert cell below. Now this is code cell. See, we will write code here. So we will take say QUANTITY quantity equals to, we will typecast the input into integer. So what we are doing here, INPUT input. Okay, input is a command to enter inputs from the keyboard, right? So ENTER, enter quantity. Okay, so enter quantity, right? When you execute this one, then see, the cell is means the cursor is waiting here, enter quantity. Now we have to enter quantity. Now say 1000. Let me enter 1000. Okay, then price item, suppose price equals to this. Also we are taking it from the input, it means the keyboard. So, and this item will be float, right? Enter rate, enter rate. Okay, enter rate. And if whatever is entered by the user, that will be converted into a floating point number and store it in the price variable. Let us click on enter. So what is the rate? Say let's enter 10.5. Okay, so that is inside the price. Now let us create a variable discount, discount equals to say 0. Initially let it be discount equals to 0 or 0.0. Okay, then click on this run and come on the next cell. There you can check if the quantity, sorry I have written wrongly, right? If this quantity is greater than 2000. Okay, if quantity is greater than 2000, then we will provide a discount, right? Discount equals to 10%, so 10% will be 0.10, right? Okay, that's the discount we have given. Then we will print. Now see, I will come to the first cell. It means come out of this particular if statement. Okay, so I only need to calculate the discount there, so calculate it. Then in the next statement I can say total, total, total equals to what? Let's write quantity, okay, into price. That's the thing we need to. Okay, then minus quantity into price into, oh what I did, pric, price into discount. We have to issue one bracket here. Okay, so let us run it. So quantity, yes. Okay, now print. Say write discount, discount equals to percentage dot 2f. Okay, this is a floating point, and so this is the discount, discount, discount variable. Okay, so what it will print, I think we have, I forgot if I run this or not. Let us run this one. Yeah, let us run this one. Discount is 0 because we entered quantity as 1000. That is obvious, right? Net print the total price, total, total price or total expenses. Expenses equals to, this will be also percentage dot 2f. This is also a floating point number, percentage, and it will be the total what we have calculated there, right? Enter it. Now see, okay, now see, what we entered, quantity is 1000, right? And the price is 10.5. okay, so if you multiply this, so you will get this particular result, right? So this is your complete program. Now let us do one thing. Let us clear all this output and we will rerun again, right? From the top, run here, enter quantity. This time I make it 2500. okay, enter the rate, enter. So this will be 10.5, suppose. okay, discount we initialize it to 0. Now we are checking this if condition here. If the quantity is greater than 2000, then 10% discount will be given, right? So our quantity is 2500. This time this code will execute and discount will be 10%, right? Now we have run this. Now click on this run button. You see you got some discount, 0.10. okay, now what will be the total? This will be the total expenditure. You will calculate in, if you calculate in calculator, so that will be all right, right? So this is one another example of if statement. So let's conclude this is if statement. Now we will continue in next tutorial. okay.